Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the gold over the US dollar markets. Now, as you can see in today's session, the markets have done exactly what I forecast them to do since yesterday's video. In yesterday's video, I did say that we're likely to go and target the 50-day EMA, and that's exactly what has happened. And in fact, at one moment during Friday's trading session, we did slightly pierce above the 50-day EMA and touch a session high of 1875. But as you can see, since then, the bears have taken back control of this market and pushed us below the 50-day EMA. So Friday, it's not very likely that you get a breakout on a Friday as you go into the weekend. So I kind of did see this coming. But this is very, very good news going into next week. Next week could be the week when we finally break out towards the upside. You'd have heard me mention in previous videos that once we get a breakout above the 50-day EMA, that's when we go and retest the swing highs, which is that first green line on your screens, which is that 1950 area, which we've come into contact twice in the previous, in the previous month or two trading. In terms of a downside, if this market was to turn around next week, we are very well supported with the 200-day EMA. As well, we have been creating higher lows as well, which is typically a very bullish sign. So I think it's only a matter of time now until we do snap out of this holding pattern that we've been trading in for the past 4 months, dating back to the beginning of August when we did achieve the new all-time high here in the gold markets. But I'm very bullish. The fundamentals are very, very bullish here for the gold markets. The technicals are looking very well. We just need to break above the 50-day EMA and clear the swing highs, and that's when we can really then start to target back towards the all-time high that we achieved back in August, which is of course 2064. Signal team, we're holding a buy on the gold markets, which is in a good amount of profit, and we hope that gold can extend towards the upside going into the beginning of next week, and those profits can grow. One thing to be cautious about though is on Monday you do usually see some counter flow in gold, but then going into Tuesday when the Asian session opens, that's when gold can really start to pick up traction and move towards the upside. So I'm still bullish here in the gold markets. As I just mentioned, the fundamentals are looking fantastic. The technicals are looking great as well. So for that reason, I have no interest whatsoever in selling this market. I'm a buyer. I think 1880 is the target going into next Monday, and then eventually a break above towards the swing highs would be my anticipation and prediction for next week's trading.